In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add blur effect on a section of your video. So I have this video here and I like to add blur effect at the beginning here, only this section. So to do so, go ahead and cut or split the section and then select the section that you want to blur. So I'll remain with this section. Right. So once you're done, go to these effects and select it. Then choose video effects. Then scroll until you get to lens. So choose lens here. And here now you can see we have a blur effect. So if I go ahead and choose it, blur will be applied on that section of the video. So I'll go ahead and complete it by tapping on tick. So now if we go ahead and play the video, wow, it begins with a blur and then now it goes back to normal. Look at that. So that's how you can add blur effect on your videos in CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.